Okay, finding the area of a triangle. ठीक है? Area issues की बात करने जा रहे हैं. So you know, you have seen this in your through the dot product that cos theta is a dot b over like this. This is for the dot product or the scalar product. Do you know for the vector product, the formula is actually sine of the angle between the two vectors is a cross b over the magnitude of a into the magnitude of b. Okay? So in this way, for example, if you have like this is your theta over here, this is your vector a, and this is your vector b over here. And you perform the cross product over here, like, you know, you're finding this a cross b. So that is equal to the magnitude of a into the magnitude of b into the sine of the angle between them. And if you go back to your O-level trigonometry, you have seen that if you have a parallelogram like this, okay, and suppose this has a length of A, this length is B, okay, and you have an angle theta between them. So the area of this parallelogram is this length into this length times the sine of the angle between them. Yes, do you remember that area formula that this is for the triangle, it is half AB sine C, and if it is a parallelogram, this is going to be twice that area of the triangle. Okay, so this way the cross product is like, if you find the magnitude of this cross product over here, that will give you the area of a parallelogram over here. Okay, we know that the cross product results into a vector. So if you find the magnitude of that vector, that happens to be the area of the parallelogram. And if you're finding the area of the triangle, then you will have to halve this. Okay, so this is half the magnitude of this vector, which is going to be obtained through the this AB sine theta. If I take you to the book, then you see that like if you have here, this is your question number 5. Okay, I'll be doing a few parts from here. There are 4 parts. So let me just do 2 of the parts for you people. So let me just move this a bit up here like this. And then I have okay, this and this. Okay, now suppose we have to do that A part over here. Okay, so in this A part, there's a triangle AB, OAB. So let's draw this. This is your this is OAB. Remember to be very careful about this vertex over here, OAB. So this is going to be your theta over here. So this is going to be your AO. This is going to be your AB, OAB. So you have your OA, which is 6 minus 7. This point is 6 minus 7, 21. This B is 3, 2 minus 5. This O is 0, 0, 0. And we want to find this area, okay? So let me call this is the vector A here, and this is the vector B over here. So this would be, the area would be,
Sir, wouldn't vector B be OB wala?
no, no, I'm just naming this as OB. We don't need this
Okay, okay.
right now, okay? So we have this A over here, which is going to be minus 6, minus 7, and sorry, plus 7, and then you have minus 21. That is your vector A, and then your vector B is going to be, that is 3 minus 6 is going to be minus 3, 2 plus 7 is 9, and then you have minus 5, minus 21 is minus 26. Okay? So we need to
सर वैसे
find
इस
that.
पर्टिकुलर केस के अंदर
Yeah, yeah.
इस पर्टिकुलर केस के अंदर हम ओ ए और ओ बी भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं बिकॉज दोनों तो डायरेक्शन वेक्टर्स हैं ना कि ओ ए बी इज द ट्राइंगल
Yeah, but the thing is that he is very sensitive about the vertex of this, like, you know, this, if it says OAB, then you follow this, okay? If it says AOB, then you can use O and OB, okay? So this is your A, which is -6. You can try this, Fatma, and then you will yourself discover that what happens if you use that OA and OB. Okay, and this is
Sir,
your
why did you
minus.
switch the signs of vector A? Can't we just keep it 6 minus 721?
It has
Same
to
ही
be
आएगा.
AO. It has to be AO. Remember when you define
अच्छा.
the angle, okay? So this has to be either directed towards the vertex or it has to be directed away from the vertex, okay?
Okay,
So
okay.
let's do that, Bacho, quickly. So this how, after completing this cross product, we get this. We find its magnitude, we halve that, and that is going to be the area. Now, can you try the C part and D part? This really involves your O-level vectors concept here. Try that C and D part, and then
Sir,
I'll
does
do
this
that.
need to have any unit?
I'm trying this D part. And in this D part, we have, it says the triangle BPQ with A, B, C. Okay, the triangle is BPQ, but we are given the points A, B, and C. Okay, it says AP is half of AB. So if this is my AB, then it says AP is half of AB. And 3PC, let me draw this separately. 3PC is 5PQ. Guys, which one is longer? Is it that 3PC or um, 5PQ? Hmm? So this PQ, if I write it as the PQ is 3 by 5 of PC, that's more clear. That's clearer. This PQ is 3 by 5 of PC. So that means if this is P, this is Q over here. So you have somewhere here this PC. So the whole of this PQ is 3 by 5 of this piece. No, I think I should have Q here and I should have C here. Anna. Now this PQ is 3 by 5 of PCS. If this is, or maybe it should be a bit here. Anna, this is your P, this is your Q, this is your C. This is 3 parts, this is 2 parts. So PQ is 3 by 5 of this PC. Okay. So maybe I can draw it in any direction here. We have to have the triangle BPQ. So let me draw it like this. Okay. So I have Q here and I have C here. Okay. Now, you see, before you find the area, you have to do so much brainstorming here. So you have the point A, which is 1, 3, 4. This is 1, 3, 4. Then you have the point B, which is 3, 7, 8. This is 3, 7, 8. And the point C, which is 7, 0, 16. 7, 0, 16. We'll find the area of the triangle BPQ over here. BPQ. So you see the BPQ, I would keep theta over here and I would be needing the PB and the PQ, okay? PB and PQ. So first of all, I can find this A, PB. Now, if this P is the midpoint, as it says that AP is half of AB, so we can quickly find this AB first. Let's find the AB first. Okay, so AB is going to be 3 minus 1, it is 2. 7 minus 3, it is 4. 8 minus 4, it is 4. So this means that this AP over here, this AP is 1, 2, 2. And this PB is also 1, 2, 2. Okay. Now we can find this P so that then we can find this PQ because we have this PC with us. Okay. So can I say this AP is OP minus OA? Yes. You have AP, which is 1, 2, 2, and then plus this OA, which is 1, 3, 4. That is your OP. So this OP is going to be 2, 5, 6. Please keep an eye on my working, guys. I don't let me slip away. Okay. So this P is 256. Okay. Now we can find this PC. Let's find PC. There is going to be OC minus OP. You see, this is all your O-level maths here. So OC minus OP. 7 minus 2 is 5. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. And 16 minus 6 is 10. So we need this PQ. You see this PQ is 3 by 5. So I'm just doing this working here. That is 3 by 5 of this 5 minus 5, 10. So I can say that this is going to be 3 minus 3, and then you have 2. This is your PQ, guys, okay? And then you can find this cross product. Let's find this PB times PQ, okay? And then you find this, and then you find half of this. That will give you the area. Please do that and give me the answer. So this was 5 over what?
2.
5
9
over
and
5 under root 5 over 2.
5.
9 under
Nahin.
it's 9 under root 5 over 2.
Sorry.
Okay, so that is the area that you people get through. The main thing in this question was that how to get to these vectors PB and PQ. From there, I'm just ending this segment, which was on the area of the triangles in these 3D vectors. Now I'll be taking you to the plane section.